Okay, welcome to Beta Mail. Today we're going to be securely fastening a bookcase to the wall to prevent it tipping forwards. Tools you're going to need: just a light pin hammer, a screwdriver. This one's a Phillips because we've got Phillips screws, with a wall plug, a washer for the screws as well. I'm just using an L bracket. This one was from IKEA, I think it was, with another screw and washer attached, and then a tape measure, pencil, and then a drill with the appropriate sized drill bit for your wall plug. So I found the center point of the bookcase. I went out the top of the bookcase and I've marked off that middle point and popped the screw in. Top tip at this stage is to not tighten the screw because you still want some movement through the bracket itself, so you can move the bracket out the way when you need to drill onto the wall. This is a second-hand bookcase. There's already been a couple of holes put in previously, so it will vary depending on what space you're putting it in, and the distance between the back of the bookcase and the wall. So there's a little bit of distance on this one because the skirting's quite thick. So I'm going to position the bracket like so. Next thing I'm going to do then, push the bracket roughly where I want it on the wall. I'm going to mark that position on the wall, and then I can use my drill to drill a hole to put the wall plug in. So I've marked the position that I want to put the wall plug in, so now I can move the bracket out of the way, and then I've got my drill bit. What I've got here is just a piece of sellotape. So all I've done is taken the wall plug, the end of the wall plug, and I've just marked off roughly how far I want to drill into the wall. You could use a pen, or a bit of coloured tape might be better, a bit more visible. So as you're drilling into the wall, you don't want to go too far because you'll end up pushing the plug all the way into the wall. So I've drilled the hole in the wall to the correct depth, and I've just left the wall plug proud now. This is where you can use your pin hammer. Before I tap this in, just a quick one. Check what type of wall you've got, because there'll be different drill bits for different types of wall, be it masonry or if you're putting it into wood or whatever, but also there'll be different types of wall plugs as well, so you might get plasterboard plugs and so on. So all I'm going to do now is just tap this in until it's flush. The plug is flush with the wall, and now I'm ready to screw straight into there. So that's the bookcase now held in place with the L bracket. If you like the video, please give a thumbs up. Please also comment and subscribe for more videos, and thank you for watching.